Hello, hello everyone. Once again, this is your AI. So, samot-sari na yung na-upload kasi instead of not doing anything, no, while tapos nang magluto, while hinihintay ko po yung kapatid ko na dumating kasi nagwo-work siya sa nursing home, sabay kaming kakain, no. Actually, naiisip kung ano yung naiisip ko instead of not wasting my time. So, when I was still in the teaching field, I taught my students this song. So, para lang sa kaalaman ng iba. So, yung 8 parts of speech. Pagpasensya nyo na po, frustrated singer po ako. Di po ako marunong talagang kumanta. So, ibibigay ko lang to para maituro nyo sa mga anak nyo. They can memorize the 8 parts of speech. This is verb. Actually, wait. Malabo na yung mata. Verb. Okay. So this how it is. It goes like this. 8 parts of speech, 8 parts of speech, noun, pronoun, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and adjective, verb, adverb, and adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. I will repeat. 8 parts of speech, 8 parts of speech, noun, pronoun, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and adjective, verb, adverb, and adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Yun po, salamat po. Alam nyo, you can learn how to speak English if you know all these 8 parts of speech. It composes English composed of 8 parts of speech. So, pag may mga time, i-upload ko muna yung noun, tapos yung pronoun, tapos yung verb, yung adverb and adjective, tapos preposition, conjunction, interjection. Actually, meron lang tayong 5 main menu. Yung iba kasi, kumbaga sa putahe, pampasarap na lang siya. Basta alam mo yung noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and adjective, pwede ka nang makasulat. Okay? Kasi yung preposition, conjunction, and interjection, those are just additive flavors, kumbaga sa ating menu. Yan. So, I hope may natutunan na naman po kayo kahit konti. Maraming salamat po sa subscribe and keep on hitting notification bell. Salamat po sa 128 ko na subscriber. God bless us all. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Once again, this is your AI, acronym individual. Impromptu lang to. Wala po akong script. Di po ako marunong mag-edit. So, pasensya na po. Tao lang kung may pagkakamali, errors, and hayaan nyo na po, dito lang po ako sumasaya. At dito ko lang po nagagamit yung free time ko instead of ma-depress. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. At mag-ingat po.